Hey everybody and welcome back. In today's video, we are going to guide you through some safe and legal methods in order to get the YouTube Premium for free. So let's just dive right in and get started with the video. So one of the best and the safest method you can follow is open up the YouTube application first. So let's head over to youtube.com, hit enter. And once you go to YouTube, you can go over, tap on profile picture, and select this option for purchases and memberships. And you got to the premium section and click on learn more. After you click on learn more, here we can see this option of trying 1 month for $0. Sometimes even 2 months, sometimes even 3 months, sometimes even 6. So you can got for this one right here for $0. So what you can do is you can click on this option and you can select individual, family or student plan and click on try 1 month. And after that is done, you can just go over and provide in with your card details. So the thing is, you need to add up your payment method here and click on buy. And once that is done, you will be getting a monthly charge. So if you are wanting for free, what you can do is before the trial ends, you can cancel it. So we can cancel it anytime, even though we purchase a trial. No charges if canceled before the trial ends. And that is how you access the YouTube Premium. This is one of the methods available. And you should be able to access the YouTube Premium for free. And that's it. So this is how you usually do it. We hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.